Hello and welcome to this lecture, Polymorphism, Method, Overloading and Overriding. This is Manjusha Bhosle from KK Polytechnic Nashik. In this lecture, we will discuss about polymorphism concept in Python, which includes method overloading and method overriding. So let us start with it. What is method overloading? The concept of polymorphism means having many forms, and this overloading means you can write the same name function but with different arguments in one class. So in programming, polymorphism includes two concepts. First is method overloading, which includes same name function with different argument in one class, and method overriding, which includes same name method in parent as well as in child class with same arguments. So like other languages, for example method overloading in C++, Python does not support method overloading. We may overload the methods but can only use the latest define method, that is last method whatever we write with the same function name, that will be used when you call the function or method. For previous methods with the same name, it will give you the error. So suppose for example here we have a student class and we have disp method. This first disp method has two parameter, role and name, and second has nothing. And here we are printing the role and name, and here we are printing the welcome message. So when we create the object of student class and when we try to call this disp method with role and name, which is the first method written inside the class, at this time it will give you the error. But if you call the second method or current or latest method or last method, then there will not be an error and it will give you the output. So if you want to implement this kind of example, you can do like this. So you can write a function with any parameter with the value none, and whenever you call the function, it is up to you to pass the parameter or not. So if you have two parameter with one parameter as a none value, then you can pass the one parameter while calling the same function, or you can pass two parameters. But this concept is not overloading concept, it is some another concept, because here we are explicitly using print a and print a comma b. That's why it is give you the output, it is giving you the output this 89 none and 23 45. So this concept is not overloading concept, and of course Python does not support the overloading. So now we will just implement this example or this kind of example, and you will come to know that what happens actually. So let us go to the Thonny and do this. Now in this, suppose I have class my class colon, I have my fun function, suppose with self parameter, and if I write here return 5, the same name function fun, and with one parameter, suppose number. If I return here number, suppose, and now I will create the object of this class, obj is equal to my class, and if I say obj dot fun, as first function has no parameter, my expectation is it should return the value 5. So as it is returning it, I need to use print statement to print that value. And now we'll save the file. Now run it. Now it will give you the error, that is missing one required positional argument, because the latest function need one argument and we have passed 0 arguments. So here we need to pass the argument. Suppose here I am passing 34, and if I run this, then it will print the value 34. Okay, so here this function is neglected, or the first function is not executed or called, the second one is considered. Even if I write again one more function after this fun, so the same function with suppose n1 comma n2, and if here I return n1 plus n2, and if here first I will pass 0 parameter, and if I run this, then it will give you error, that is 2 required positional parameters. So as you can see, the first error was missing one required parameter, and now second is 2 required, so it will consider the latest definition. So here I need to pass 2 numbers, and if I run this, it will give him the answer, neglecting previous 2 function definition with the same name but different parameters. So this is how you can see that Python does not support to the method overloading. Now we will move to the method overriding. So here I told you that you can go for this solution, but this is not method overloading. Now talking about method overriding, you can always override your parent class method by creating the object of parent class. So if you have same function or method inside parent class and same name function or same name method inside child class, and if you want to call the particular function or method, then you have to create the object of that particular class. Like if you want to call the parent method, then you need to create parent object. So one reason for overriding parents method is because you may want special or different functionality in your subclass. So child classes override the attributes and behavior from the parent class. Now how to do that? First we'll see the example. Now in this example you can see there is a class parent with my method. Child also has the same name method with same number of or name of argument, and if I want to call both the methods from both the parent and child classes, then I will create both the object and I will call the specific method. So now this we will implement in Thonny and we'll see the effect. So let us move to the Thonny. So in the same example I'll do the modification. So suppose this is my class and this is a parent class, and in that suppose I have this function with 2 parameters, and I am returning the addition of that 2 numbers or 2 parameters. I have one other class, suppose child, and child is inheriting parent class, my class, and in that also same method is written. So of course if I want to call this fun, so if I want to check the effect, I will just change the operation here, and first I will create the object of child class. So obj is equal to child and print obj dot fun. That means this fun will be called and with these 2 parameters. So let us run this. First I will clear the shell, run. So the answer is multiplication of these 2 numbers. But if I want to call this function, my class function, and of course it will return the addition, I need to create the object of parent class. So my class objp dot fun, 23 comma 67, and this I need to print because it is returning the value. So if I run this, then I'll get two values. First is the multiplication of both the number, and second is the addition. So this is how we can perform the overriding in Python. So I hope you have understood the concept of polymorphism, that is method overloading and method overriding in Python. Thank you all.